You can get some pretty good crashes in sometimes, but it's not even in cars. Let's go to North Cars, mate.
Wow, okay. What's he even going from?
This guy here. I think it's Will Boy. Wild boy. Wild boy. Wild boy.
Wild
boy. Weird
What?
boy.
Pepit?
That bit.
Wild Pepit?
That bit. That bit. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah. Oh. No. Oh, I thought you died.
I'm MVP, don't worry.
Alright, I'll stay there if there's another Heli tomorrow.
Okay.
I go against real quick.
I'll give you a ride.
Alright. Oh hey, limo.
Oh hey, limo.
You guys need a limo, Kels?
Yeah.
It's factory north.
South.
No. North.
I'm kind of fighting over this right now.
North Factory, south of North. South of North Factory.
Yeah, there you go. That's better.
Actually, yeah, I didn't think of it the other way. You're right. You're right. Oh.
Oh fuck, he died.
Weed.
Ah, well, we got one, but it wasn't the driver. Pew pew pew. Do 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 do.
Do 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 do. Did you know homosexuals' only weakness are fire and the Bible?
Witness the
I
fire?
think I'm being attacked by a
Fire
helicopter right now.
and Bibles.
Guys, I'm requiring assistance.
Where are you?
Spawn.
Coming.
I also have like no ammo left.
Do you know who it is? Oh my god.
It's Toolhead and Ace.
Oh, fuck Toolhead.
Seriously, guys, I need
We're
help.
coming, you way. There's a car there?
My car's broken.
Okay. You're the broken car?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh wait, no, it's Snoops and Ace. I always hated Snoops.
We'll come extract you, Kals.
Alright,
Yeah,
We'll
well,
extract you like a syrup.
No harm, no foul.
shut the fuck up.
Dude, these
What's up?
hills are so hard to see.
Oh, watch out.
Yep.
You got some good shots on him. Oh, never mind.
No, that part where you're out of ammo.
Shit.
Alright,
Oh,
come on,
Lexi again.
Kals, let's go.
Oh,
let's
Lexi,
go,
get in the
let's
chopper.
go.
Let's
He's
go.
coming too. He's gonna crash into it. Hey, her.
Max, fucking light him up.
I can't. I don't have a gun. Go ahead.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
You fucking with the guns and shit.
Max, you're gonna.
You got him?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh.
I want Ace to die though. Oh, he jumped out. Oh.
Get fucking wrecked.
Yeah, man.
Dank weed. Where are we going? Kals?